This finger is for all you climate change, global warming fucking morons. Here's a goddamn fucking shovel for your Cortez and your stupid green movement. You can come out here and dig that fucking snow off my fucking roof. You can take this 6-foot high fucking snow rift that's up on the side of my house and fucking move it. You can take your fucking CNN up your ass because you don't report the real news. This is the real fucking news. We're in a fucking blizzard from hell here. Why don't you get your fucking libtarded friends to come fucking dig this shit out? Look at this. Look at that roof. I want to give you an idea. Look at that. You take your fucking CNN, they don't fucking report real news. Take your fucking, all your phony fucking news journalism, stick up your fucking ass. Can't even see the fucking mailboxes. We're getting wind gusts up to 90 miles an hour, trees blowing over, 18 inches of snow in 24 hours. There's my tractor. Gee, it's more than 3/4 buried now. Almost to the top. Actually, it is almost to the top. So, fuck you, Google. Fuck you, YouTube. Fuck all you stupid assholes who send off so much fucking money to humanitarian aid in other countries but can't spend a fraction of it on a damn wall. 40 billion out of the country and can't even get 4 billion to build a fucking wall. You fucking make me sick, Americans. You make me sick.